Mezanmi, mbakone. Hey, tout Haiti bat 4-0. Mbakone non? C'est pour Haiti qui dit 4-0 oui. Depuis petit, m'pa jamais ka représenter pays. C'est Brésil. Hey, m'besoin nationalité tout de suite. Hey, m'besoin nationalité. Oh, kounya là tout le monde pral chercher nationalité. Ouais longtemps, tout le monde qui folie prend nationalité l'autre monde. Nous pas dans ça encore. Hey, 4-0 Haiti bat Nouvelle Zélande. 4-0 Haiti beat them. You know, this World Cup, we're taking it to the island of Haiti. I don't know if you know. We're taking it to the island of Haiti. I was sleeping. I wake up with the joy in my heart. Haiti called me. My family in Haiti called me. They said, you must wake up. You must wake up because we beat. That's how we speak when we are enjoying. The city that I'm from in Haiti, they call Leogan. When we're speaking, we have to shake our body. They said Haiti beat up New Zealand 6-4-0. Do you understand what's going on right now? God is about to do something for her country. If you don't know, you don't know. And that's why I stay on prayer. This country, they've been through so much humiliation, abuse of power, violence. People got killed, kidnapped, children dying, natural catastrophe. Jesus said, enough is enough. Oh my God. The Lord started to pull his light and shine his light in every corner into this island. And I prophesy in Jesus' mighty name, I will not give glory to no devil. I will be on my knees. I will be worshiping. Hey, I will be worshiping. I'm not this kind of Haitian who's gonna do raga. Raga is from my birth city, but I will not do raga because I know the history of raga. I will be worshiping the Lord Almighty in